Like,
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen.
hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we're reviewing the new KFC chicken sandwich. So get it out for us.
I don't want to.
Where's the straw? Get it, please. Why is he acting like that? He's not forced to make this video. He wanted to make this video. Everybody has a new chicken sandwich, so we're trying it.
I don't know which one is which. Open yours. Oh, sorry.
Don't be rude. You gotta let them know who you're talking to. This is regular. Look at it. Okay, let's do a video. You hold the package.
No.
No, you don't want. You gotta show the KFC. And let's make sure it looks good. Don't cover your face though.
Hold on, wait. We'll look a little raggedy. Hold on. Okay, here you go.
We got fries and stuff as well. But look at this. This looks good. Like,
That's spicy.
he got the spicy one as always, and I got the regular because I don't like all that spice stuff. So we're gonna give you our honest review.
Not one pickle.
That's seasoned. It's just like the crispy chicken in a sandwich. That's good, isn't it? There's so much flavor.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
See McDonald's? McDonald's didn't have any flavor. It was just chicken. But this is what I'm talking about. Okay. Woo. That's good. Then they have the fries. You know who's gonna talk this video? You know who's gonna talk this video? Or in it too, you can show for the camera. Not show up for the camera, but just like say your opinions.
It's good.
Why do you say it's good?
'Cause it's good.
What do it taste like?
What does a chicken sandwich taste like?
It's not like any other chicken sandwich. It's seasoned.
Tastes like a chicken sandwich.
It says like I made this chicken sandwich because I always make good seasoned chicken sandwiches.
I know you're fucking lying.
And then my friend doing some cookies.
Okay, trying to get her fired.
They don't know my friend. You're gonna get her fired. I take care. This guy. That better not spill in my car. Let's take another look at this close up.
Tastes really good. Pickles are high quality. Aren't these high quality?
Yeah.
These are some high quality pickles. McDonald's, then it's spicy. It's not over spicy, you know. It's like right amount of spice. Sorry, my glass.
They have the secret recipe.
Yeah.
This is Krusty Krab, and McDonald's is the chum bucket. Trying to
Let
steal
me
the
tell
recipe.
y'all. If they were to release this when Popeyes released their chicken sandwich, they would win. And then, you know what? Goodies, don't tell me. Watch your last video. Also, we all watched the movie Cooties.
It's a good movie. You gotta tell them what's about.
No.
You said it.
They can watch the movie. And you know, only our mom and our auntie's gonna watch this.
I'll give you the background. So basically, at the beginning of the movie, they show a chicken getting cut and being like ready to be served at schools and made into chicken nuggets and
It's
stuff.
almost like you didn't even watch that part of the movie.
And then there was a fly that got into the chicken
Hey, you stop. I'm trying to eat.
and it made a disease. And then you will see when you watch the movie.
Here, y'all can take a bite.
It's really good.
Y'all, have you ever noticed why is his body so short? His head and then his body. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Oh, excuse me.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I haven't had pop in a long time because I'm part of this diet. But this diet made me come.
Okay, never mind. I don't need to see.
This diet made me come to the conclusion that
That what?
if you like to eat, be fat and eat.
Heard. See, when I eat, I never gain weight because I always exercise as well. Why is there a fry up there? So that's why I always look fit, because I am fit.
I like
My
the
last
popcorn.
bite. I need another one.
You take me home. I'm not acting out for the camera for you today.
You don't need to. This is just a simple food review. There was like many other ways they could have went, but they decided to honk at the birds. And the birds ain't doing nothing to them.
Who?
The people, those two cars, they literally honked at the birds and tried to hit it. Like the birds didn't do nothing. Okay, review it.
Give it a 20.
Out of 10.
And give it a 9. Let's go.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It was amazing. KFC. To your haters, keep repping them. Do it to the death of them. X in the box, because ain't nobody checking them. But yeah, that was the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. To all my 80 subscribers, if you don't watch.
Oh, you're brown.
If you don't watch, you're missing out on good content. For me and my brother, we just do reviews on this channel now. Every new food, we got you. Period. We're here to take Trisha's Paytas and Tammy's spot. But yeah, thanks for watching.